Greetings, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the top 3 foods that can help you live a longer and healthier life. These are not the latest fads or gimmicks, these are time-tested, scientifically proven superfoods that can make a real difference in your overall well-being. So, get ready to take some notes, because this information could change your life. Fact 1. Blueberries. These small, yet mighty, berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can significantly boost your health and longevity. Antioxidants are crucial for combating free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the aging process. Blueberries are one of the highest antioxidant-rich foods on the planet, scoring extremely high on the ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, scale, which measures a food's antioxidant properties. These antioxidants, particularly the flavonoids called anthocyanins, have been shown to have numerous benefits for the body. They can help reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and even lower the risk of certain chronic diseases, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. In fact, several studies have found that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and cognitive function, making them a key food for maintaining brain health as we age. The antioxidants in blueberries have also been linked to a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. But the benefits of blueberries don't stop there. These little berries are also an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. They're also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which play important roles in immune function, bone health, and overall well-being. Fact 2. Salmon. Next on our list is salmon, a true superfood for longevity and health. Salmon is an oily fish that is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a wide range of bodily functions. Omega-3s are particularly beneficial for heart health, as they can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Numerous studies have shown that regular consumption of salmon and other fatty fish can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. But the benefits of salmon don't stop at the heart. Omega-3s are also crucial for brain health, as they can improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of depression, and even slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. In addition to its omega-3 content, salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall bodily functions. Salmon is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium, all of which play important roles in immune function, bone health, and thyroid function. Perhaps most impressive, though, is the growing body of evidence that suggests salmon and other fatty fish may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. This is likely due to the anti-inflammatory properties of the omega-3s, as well as the presence of other beneficial compounds in salmon, such as astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant. Fact 3. Green tea. The final food on our list is green tea, a beverage that has been revered for its health benefits for centuries. Green tea is rich in a class of antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to have a wide range of positive effects on the body. One of the most well-known benefits of green tea is its potential to enhance weight loss and fat burning. The catechins in green tea, particularly one called EGCG, have been shown to boost metabolism and increase the body's ability to burn fat, making it a valuable tool for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. But the benefits of green tea don't stop there. These powerful antioxidants have also been linked to a reduced risk of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. The catechins in green tea can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, and they may also enhance the effectiveness of certain cancer treatments. Green tea has also been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. The catechins in green tea can help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the antioxidants in green tea can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. But perhaps one of the most exciting benefits of green tea is its potential to support brain health and cognitive function. The catechins in green tea have been shown to improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. Some studies have even suggested that regular consumption of green tea may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Conclusion. In conclusion, blueberries, salmon, and green tea are 3 of the top foods for longevity and health. These superfoods are packed with powerful nutrients and compounds that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By incorporating these foods into your diet on a regular basis, you can enjoy a wide range of benefits, from improved heart health and brain function to a reduced risk of chronic diseases and a longer, healthier life. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding these amazing foods to your meals today and experience the incredible power of nature's best longevity-boosting superfoods.